In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and record a keys track in Soundtrap. By the end, you'll feel confident opening your project, choosing the right instrument sound, and capturing a clean performance. Start by going to Soundtrap in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, head to your projects. This is your main hub where all your sessions are stored. Find the project you want to work on and select your project to open it from the list. If you're picking up from a previous session, this ensures you're adding new parts to the right place. Next, click on Studio. This opens the full Soundtrap Studio interface, where you'll see the timeline, transport controls, and any tracks already in your project. Give it a moment to load if your project has a lot of content. Now click on Add Track. This button usually sits on the left side of the track list and creates a new lane in your session. When the instrument options appear, click on Keys. This tells Soundtrap you want to add a keyboard-based instrument, like piano, electric piano, organ, or synth. A virtual keyboard will appear, and you'll be ready to choose a sound. Before you play, select a preset. Presets shape the character of your instrument, so browse until you find something that fits the mood of your track. Bright and clean for pop, warm and mellow for ballads, or something richer and textured for cinematic moments. You can usually preview each sound by tapping a few notes on the on-screen keyboard. When you're happy with the sound, it's time to perform. Use the keyboard while recording. To do that, get your part in mind, then start recording and play the on-screen keys with your mouse, trackpad, or your computer keyboard if it's supported. You may hear a short count-in before recording begins, which helps you hit the first note on time. Keep your eyes on the timeline so you can see the notes being captured as a MIDI performance. If you prefer to layer ideas, record a simple version first, then build on it in later takes. A couple of practical tips as you play: use headphones to avoid feedback and keep your monitoring clear, and sit comfortably so your hands can move freely across the keys. If you make a mistake, don't worry. MIDI recordings are flexible, so you can fix note timing and velocity afterward. That's it. You've gone to Soundtrap, logged in, opened your project, entered the studio, added a keys track, selected a preset, and recorded your part.